What's up YouTube? It's Andre here, back with another great video. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to make money online, but it's going to be the fastest way how to make money online without investment. So that's what I'm going to share with you. So you need no money. This is going to be worldwide, and the good thing about this method, all you have to use is time. So if you have a little bit of time, whether you're coming from work or before work or in the middle of work or any time, as long as you have your phone, you could do this. Now I'm going to share with you a website that is evergreen, and there's people looking for you right now to make money. Now, some of you probably know by now I'm going to be doing the giveaway. I just crossed 5,000 subscribers. So I'm going to be giving this away to one lucky winner. So the people who voted, like, check out my freaking, like, I just grab a piece of plastic and I just put some names in it. And this is what I'm going to use. So this is very cool. I would say this is, yeah, this is what you do when you have 5,000 subscribers. You just grab a piece of plastic from out of the trash can and you just put some numbers in there. But yeah, stay throughout this video. I could announce it in the middle. I could announce it at the end. You just don't know. So keep watching, because if you want to make money without investing any money, this is the fastest way how to make money online without no investment. So keep watching this video. So if you're brand new to my YouTube channel, this is the channel. Lots of great videos in here. So subscribe, so that way every time I create a brand new video, you'll be the first one to know. You'll be notified and get on the fastest and the quickest way to make money online. Now, let's dive into the video. And where we're going to be going is a website that is called JVZoo. Now, some of you, if you've been watching my videos, you probably realize that I've talked about this website a lot. And the reason for JVZoo, there's a lot of multiple different products on here that you can promote and you can make money. That's right. You can make money just by crushing it on this particular website. So the good thing about this website, it is absolutely free. You don't need any money for you to sign up. And the method I'm going to show you as well will be free. So keep watching the video. So if you want to find products, once you sign up for it, you just go into where it says products. You can go on marketplace, you can go on the launch list, you can go on top sellers, and the list goes on and on. So most of these you have to request approval, and it doesn't take much for you to get approved. So that's the good thing about this particular product, that this particular website. It doesn't take much for you to get approved. All you have to do is just click on there and say you want to get approved, and then you're good. Some of these products, they came out like 2014. So you always want to try to find the newest and the hottest one. So you can click on the launch list, or you can click on where launch list, or you can go to like top sellers. So top sellers are always good. You always want to go for the ones that are already hot. So if you look here, you will see, like, you know, like for this, for today, you see this is like the top 10 products that were sold, and they ranked amongst all the other products on the website. So the top sellers yesterday, you could see 7 days ago, up to 30 days, and you could do that. Now, how I normally find products, like I look what, look about today and yesterday in 7 days and over the course of the week, because over the course of the 30 days. So if it's a hot seller over the 30 days, that's what I'm going to be promoting. Like, I'm not going to promote something because, okay, it did really good today and it's hot, I'm going to jump on it. Well, nothing is wrong with promoting that, but make sure you go and you find out first and see if that's something that you want to promote. And then once you do that, then hey, boom, you'll be in the bag. So if you scroll down here, right, these are different products. And I'm trying to tell people all the time that this doesn't take rocket science. If you are willing to put in the time, you can make money. Honestly, you can make a lot of money, because it doesn't require you any money for you to sign up. The only thing that is, you just got to remain consistent and you just got to put in the work. Now, for the people who have money, you could go do Facebook ads or YouTube ads or Google ads, but make sure you learn how to do it first. Don't just go out there and just spam links everywhere. So before I get into the video, I'm just going to shake this up for a little bit. The winner for this will be announced in here. So I'm going to drop the name of the winner in here. So make sure you come and you click on the community. And even if you don't win, congratulations. Showing love to someone else will give you luck the next time. And I'm going to start giving these away as well. I'll probably start giving away some restaurant gift cards. I do, but the only thing the restaurant gift cards is for people that is in the US. I don't know about anybody else like international. I'm not just saying, but I can give away stuff that's in the US. But cash giveaways, I can do it internationally. Restaurants, I could do that as well. I can even give away like a free trip to another country. Best believe it. I got a lot of things that I could give away. So make sure you stay tuned and keep watching the video. Now, back to what I was talking about. So I would scroll through here, I would look through this, and I would make sure that, something that is hot. So I would come down and find like, look at this, like SEO training kit, or it could be key search starter annual. So you always want to look at the product and see, okay, is this something that I want to promote? Can this really solve the problems of people? Now, once you find the product that you will be promoting, you want to go over to a website that is called Quora, okay? Now, Quora is a website that it's like Facebook, but it's like questions and answers. Like people ask questions and they're looking for answers. And the good thing is, right? The good thing, what you could do, there's like affiliate marketing, there's SEO training, there's digital strategies, there's social media. So people are always looking for the answers, and here's what they're gonna do. They're willing to buy because if you can solve their problem, they would sign up with you right away. So what I would do, I would come over this particular website and I would type in, make money online. That's the first thing. Let's type that in, make money online. So if you type in make money online fast, right? And click on here, let's see what this, shows. So if you look over here, you could see that, right? People are posting things, they're asking questions. Now let me see. Okay, so let's go back to the questions. Questions. Okay, make money online. Make money online now. Make money online now. Question mark. Okay. So what are the best courses to make money online? How can I earn money right now? We are broke and can't afford our bills. I make $500 per week. So you can come down here because people are just asking questions. Like if you look at here, drop ship with Shopify, right? Startup, people are doing a 14-day trial. I can assure you right now that this person probably just sign up for Shopify, place their link, and people just go on here and just sign up for it. This is evergreen content. People are always posting in here, right? Consistently over and over again. So if I click on Quora and I go into, let's say, affiliate marketing, all right, I can go in affiliate marketing and you could see people are asking questions. Now, most of these questions, all right, which product or service is going to be big news for affiliate marketing in 2020, all right? These are some of the things that you could do. So what you're gonna do, you're going to come over here and you want to go grab an affiliate link of whatever problem the person have over here. All right. So any problem that they have, you could do. Maybe it's a Shopify question. Maybe it's a marketing question. Maybe it's small business. Maybe it's digital. So you go to JVZoo and you will see, okay, what type of products on here that I can reply with my answers and help out a person. So if you look like related topics, you click on here, all right? People are posting all the time, like questions, answers. And here's the good thing about Quora. Like, you're not going to take your link and you're not just going to be like, hey, here you go, just sign up. You always want to provide value. Be like, all right, hey, Matt, just so you know that I found I found a solution that can really help you. And before I even give it to you, what are some of your issues? Have a conversation. Maybe he reply and be like, all right, okay, now I know exactly what you are. I could share with you something that can solve that issue. So think about it. It's just like you're having a conversation back and forth, right? You're not just gonna go spam your link on here and immediately people are gonna sign up. So you always want to provide value. Answer their questions, and with their questions, you can put your link or answer the questions, and afterward, you could do that and put your link there. So come on here, and you can always even put up like questionnaires and stuff. Like, look at this social media. Like, this is a social media panel. Like, answer January 25th. Like, this thing is like blowing up. January 20th, January 24th, January 24th, January 26th. So people are asking questions, and you can come over here and you can find the product that is going to solve them. Let's say like SEO training. Like, what if the person needs SEO training? What if they need like voicemail pro? What if they need like Coach Zippy commercial, right? What if they need like like web suite pro ad suite, stuff like that. So just grab your link and just put it out there. So I hope you enjoy that video. I know I went off like on a tangent and I went like zigzag, but I hope you get the idea that you can sign up for Quora. Once you sign up for Quora, you can answer the questions and just come over here, find an affiliate link, and that's how you can make money, like really fast. You can make money fast without no investment. All you got to do is just use that method over and over every single day. Just keep it. And don't just go spam your link everywhere, all right? And you could do that. So the winner for this particular giveaway, cash giveaway, is going to be one lucky winner is going to Expressed Blackie. So Express Blackie, I'm gonna leave in, I'm gonna say you're the winner. I'm gonna post it right over here into the community section. So congratulations, man. Man or woman, sorry, right? Congrats to you, man, Express Blackie. Make sure you put your PayPal email address. I'll send you some money in your PayPal account. So that way, for the 5,000 subscribers, I'm gonna send you some money. All right. So let me know where you're from as well, man. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you're watching this. I'm going to be doing giveaways, and not just sign up because I'm giving giveaways. Make sure you sign up, educate yourself, try some of these methods because they can work as well. So I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.